With this quick video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your data with just a few shortcuts in just a few seconds. What I'm going to show you is how to go from some data that contains errors, to some clean data, something that doesn't have any bad values in there. Now, the first shortcut that we are going to use is Ctrl and A, and this will ensure that we selected all of our data. The next shortcut is Ctrl Shift and L, and this will apply a filter to the whole data that we have in here. We are going to have to filter, and we are just going to select the values that contain errors, in my case the values that contain NA, and then I'm going to hit OK. Next, I'm going to go to the first row that contains data and press Ctrl Shift and the right key. And after that, while I'm still pressing Ctrl and Shift, I'm going to press on the down key. And this will ensure that I've selected everything. The next shortcut is Alt and semicolon. This will select only the rows that we are seeing, not everything that's being hidden. And the final shortcut is Ctrl minus. This will delete everything that we have selected. Excel will prompt us with this warning if we want to delete the entire sheet row, and the answer for this is yes. We are going to press OK, and the last shortcut is Ctrl Shift and L again, and look at that, we have cleaned up everything by pressing just a few shortcuts. If you found this useful, please give this video a like, a comment, a subscribe, and see you in the next one.